Oh. Somebody was burning out, and my friend's truck was behind it. Got rubber all over his truck.
What's up, bro? You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
Gumbo Z.
Wait, what is it? I'm gonna type
Gumbo Z.
Gumbo Z?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to check it out.
This y'all truck? This y'all truck? Oh, him? Yo, bro, let me get inside for YouTube.
Huh? Oh yeah, let me turn the light on. It ain't nothing special, but
Five-star is the game. Five-star. Five-star game.
I wish I would've brought my pipe for you, bro.
I can rep it.
Huh?
I can rep it.
Oh, it's stock. I ain't got no exhaust. I ain't even lying to you. I swear.
Come on.
Man, you don't want to hear this bitch, man.
Uh-huh.
I'm telling you.
Let me rep it.
Man, it ain't got no. Oh, it ain't got no noise to it, man.
It don't. Just add some lights in the inside and the
Look,
outside.
I'm gonna show you where I got them at there. But you like trucks and stuff like
Yeah.
that? Look. Here you go. You can feel right in there. That's where they at. Just flick the switch. Let me see. Like right in there. You just gotta. Whenever you do your stuff, you wanna make sure that all your stuff hidden. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That way it just look professional. You can't.
Where?
Let me see. Like put your hand right here and like push that switch back. You feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's the outside lights.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. See how they off now?
What, you got lights in here?
Uh-huh. I got them right there.
That's why you don't be doing competition, son.
I just be having fun. You know what I'm saying? That's all. I ain't trying to compete with nobody.
See what you're saying?
Yeah, now they on now.
See what you're saying?
Oh, yeah. What kind of truck you gonna get?
And truck for right now.
Yeah, then you get like, once you do it, then you get your little powder coated lift and all that, you know what I'm saying? Straight. Man, I'm gonna really have to check your channel. How many videos you got on there?
Couple. What's it?
I'm gonna type it in my notes for you. You from out here?
Baton Rouge.
Oh, for real? I'm from New Orleans. You was at the meet last night or no? They had one at Mall of Cortana.
Like, he needs some new brakes.
Yeah, that was his tires screeching. How old you is, man?
13.
Oh, all right. Shit, I wasn't even out here at 13, so whoever brought you, that's what's up.
Hate that damn rapper.
That one right there?
Yeah. Fucking snitch. That's a snitch for real.
Oh, you talking about 6ix9ine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a number. That way, why I know.